Hello everyone, now I'm in the dark forest with Wurkkos new flashlight here. Okay, it is the Wurkkos TD01. Okay, it's a new tactical flashlight from Wurkkos and it is also a thrower. Okay, it's come with tactical switch here. Okay, and here is the lens. Okay, that can give you a really good throw and a very focused hotspot. Okay, the max lumen is about 2200 lumens. And for the max throw, it's more than 1 kilometer. Okay, here the battery inside 21700 battery. Okay, I will compare this flashlight with Convoy L21B SFT40. Okay, the same LED. This one also use SFT40, and this one Wurkkos Ts30S Pro SBT 90.2 and this little one, it is Wurkkos TS11, okay, SFT40, okay, let's see some beam shots. Okay, here Wurkkos TD01, okay, at 100 meter range, very powerful. You get very focused hot spot here, okay, and also usable spill. Okay, very good throw. Okay. Okay, let's compare with Convoy. Okay. Here is Convoy L21B SFT40. Okay. Oh, a lot of fog today. Okay, let's compare it together. Here, see that? hotspot of the TD01 is more focused. Okay, now let's compare with Wurkkos TS30S Pro. Okay, whoa, you see that? The TS30S Pro is more powerful and has bigger hotspot, but not as tight, as focused as the TD01. Okay. Okay, let's compare with Wurkkos TS11. Okay, here the TS11 here. Oh, the TS11 has bigger hotspot, okay, but not as tight, as more focused than the TD01. Okay. Wow. Okay, let's go to 200 meters. Okay, here at 200 meter range. Wow, you see that? Oh, very good throw. Wurkkos TD01. Okay. A lot of fog today. Okay. Let's compare with Convoy L21B here. Okay. See that? Oh man. At 200 meter range, it seems that L21B is a little bit brighter. Okay. Just a little bit, not much different, but the big difference is TD01 has bigger hotspot at that range, and the hotspot is more focused. Okay. Okay, let's compare with TS30S Pro. Okay, this is TS30S Pro. Okay, wow. TD01, in my opinion, I like TS30S Pro more. Okay, because it has bigger hotspot and it's brighter. Okay. Okay. Very bright TS30S Pro. Okay. And it's a bit yellow. Okay, let's compare with TS11. Okay, here is the TS11. Okay. It can reach the basketball field. Okay. And I can see things quite clear. Okay, here TD01 has tighter and more focused hotspot. Okay, and it's a lot brighter. Okay, at that 200 meter range. Okay, see that? Very good throw. Very powerful. Okay. And it's tactical. Okay. Okay, overall I think you have seen the performance of this flashlight in terms of long throw, okay, long range at 300 meters, 200 meters and 100 meters. Okay, let me talk about something that I like about this flashlight and think that should be improved. Okay, what I like about this flashlight is tactical switch. Okay, I like tactical flashlight. Okay, and it has very good tight hotspot. Okay, very focused. Okay, and the UI, okay, is very good. You get two modes. Okay, step mode and tactical mode. Okay, what should be improved? Yes, okay, let me show you. Here you can see the ring at the edge. Okay, maybe it's quite annoying at the short range. Okay, you can notice it. Okay, but just only one ring here. Okay, if you can get rid of this ring, I think it would be great. Okay, that is one thing. And another thing is when you want to get into in tactical mode. Okay, when you want to get strobe, I think it's quite more difficult than the former flashlight like the FC12, something like that. You have to double click, right? Something like that. But sometimes if your finger is not good, I think it's quite difficult. Okay, here like this. Sometimes, okay, just sometimes you have to press one and then again. Okay, something like that. But sometimes when you cannot press it perfectly, okay, you just only get turbo. Okay, I think it's more difficult than Sofen CXL SP35T, something like that. Okay, actually the same switch, I think. Okay, but this one, I think just sometime, okay, it's quite hard to get strobe. Okay, here the first tap, okay, should turn on the light first and then followed by the second tap quickly. Okay, okay, something like that. I think it's more difficult than the former flashlight like FC12, something like that. Okay, okay, overall I love this flashlight. Okay, very good tool, very more focused beam. Okay, very good, very powerful. Okay, I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.